there's a little after one shop in the middle that's selling the kahwa distilleries. If you have anything to try, you can tell me.
Okay.
Kahwa or I don't think you have now pakoda. This will be too much for you now.
Oh yeah.
But kahwa is better for you if you want.
Okay. Good காரம் சாப்பிடலாமா?
Coffee,
Coffee.
kahwa.
எந்த ரிஸ்க்கும் எடுக்காத நீ.
Okay, okay. If she drinks, she will definitely vomit.
Okay.
Yeah. I really forgot that. Because we drank water. That is also coming outside.
Okay. It's very it's masala, some masala.
Yeah. So from morning we are not eating anything.
Not good.
Stomach upset.
அது கீழே வச்சுக்கலாமா பேக்கில்? பரவாயில்ல.
அதனால ஒன்றும் வருதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தில்லா நிக்கிறாரு பத்தியா?
This is the Nature Island, right side.
Okay.
I see the roses.
ரோஸ். இந்த ரோஸ் அங்கேயுமே நம்ம இருந்து.
Yes. It's also hotel there.
Okay.
இந்த ஹோட்டல்
We
நம்ம
have a different color of the roses in Kashmir.
காட்டன் இப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம்.
நான் குளிரும். இந்த ரோசஸ் வந்து நம்ம பிளேஸ்ல கூட இருந்துச்சு, நம்ம இருந்ததுல கூட. எல்லா ஹோட்டல்ஸும் ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு.
Okay.
Yes. The lake is very huge.
Okay.
Yes.
How many outbuses you have? House?
I think maybe more than 500.
Mm-hmm.
But they don't allow new one, otherwise we get more.
Okay.
But they stop it because they don't want to, it takes the place.
Mm.
Only the renew. If people can make it new one or repairing, then they have to also take the position for that.
Oh.
It's difficult to get the wood anymore, the big wood.
Mm.
It's very expensive and also new people, they can't afford to buy nowadays. This small ship is too late now.
Okay.
Which is still now. Because this wood is waterproof wood and it's expensive.
Okay.
Waterproof and expensive. Made of what tree?
The houseboat is made of deodar, down part. It's the two pots. And upper part is made of walnut wood.
Walnut wood.
Yes. And carving is there.
அது தண்ணி வாட்டர் ரெசிஸ்டன்ட் போல வால்நட் வுட் இல்ல.
பெயிண்ட் பீஸ் இருக்கு. மேல அந்த ஷீட்ஸ் போட்டு.